Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily convert PDF file to a Word document. In this example we have a nice CV template, and if we wish to copy this CV template then we need to convert it to a Microsoft Word. To do that, if we have Adobe version that supports convert option here, we can just navigate to convert it to Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or any other desired format. However, if you are not using Adobe or your Adobe doesn't support this option for some reason, what you can do is open a blank Microsoft Word document, click on File, select the CV template, and just drag and drop it to the Word document. Now you're gonna get the message indicating that Word is converting your PDF to a Word document. And as you can see, this is the result. Your PDF file has been converted to a Word document. So you can go ahead, fill in the document with your personal information, make a few tweaks if necessary, and you can save it back to Word or PDF format through the Microsoft Word options.